Hi, welcome to Cloudy with a Chance of Weather 2. This activity list starts Thursday, January 17th and is due Thursday, January 24th. Remember, you are required to read 3 times for 20 minutes. As you read to self and practice your power goal, write the literary text you read on this line, your title of your book. Then write the challenge in your book was. Write it on this line with the challenge you saw in your book. Remember to mark each time you read. Your first activity is in writing. You are still focusing on narrative writing. First activity is required for 10 minutes. It is learning. Scan the QR code, transition words and events, then write down 3 transition words from the video on the lines provided. This can be done independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is practice on your Foursquare, telling a story about a time you were in a storm. Complete event 1 and event 2 only. Remember to use transition words. This is done independent. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Scan the QR code and listen to proper nouns. Then complete the common and proper nouns worksheet in the resource area. For reading comprehension, this is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Read the story Penguins on 1R bookshelf, then complete the sheet in the resource area. This can be done as a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is listen to reading. This is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Listen to a story on Raz-Kids on your level. What is the title? Mark your title here. Take the quiz. Write down your score. Write down your score here. This is to be done independent. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is foundational skills, IES and IER. This is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Blue readers do the box the prefixes. Red readers find root words, prefix, and suffix. White readers, prefix, root word, and suffix. This is to be done independent. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Using a computer, complete the Symbaloo word building and sorting lesson on prefixes. This is the CWTES website. Students, 2nd grade, prefixes is the 5th pink box. The next item is required for 5 minutes. It is practice. Scan the QR code to review the tricky word on your level. This is independent. Remember to mark your work mode. Social studies, required 5 minutes. This is learning. Scan the QR code to listen to Learning About the Globe in the resource area. This can be done independently or with a pair. My next item is required for 5 minutes. It is learning. Scan the QR code to listen to the Continents song. This can be independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is required 15 minutes. It is practice. Complete the continents map in the resource area. Read directions carefully. This is to be done independent. Remember to mark your work mode. In your severe weather journal, this item is required 20 minutes. It is learning. Using a computer, complete the Science Fusion digital lesson, Unit 3, Lesson 1, How Does Weather Change? Then complete the note-taking guide from the resource area. That is to be done independent. The next item is a choice. It is 10 minutes. It is learning. Read wind in the resource area or scan the QR code to listen to wind. According to the text, what causes the air to be different temperature? Write your answer on the line. This can be done independent or with a pair. The next item is optional. It is 20 minutes. It is learning. Read what is severe weather on Epic. Choose another type of severe weather that is not listed on your rubric. Then complete the optional page in your severe weather journal about the type of weather you choose. This is independent or with a pair. You're starting on your severe weather plan poster. This is basic information on tornadoes. The first activity is a choice. It is 20 minutes. It is learning. Tornado information sheet. Read the information. Then answer the tornadoes questions in your journal on page 3. Or scan the QR code to watch the tornado video. Then answer the tornadoes questions in your journal on page 3. This can be done independent or as a pair. The next item is a choice, 15 minutes. It is learning. Read the Spinning Storms article in the resource area or scan the QR code to listen to the Spinning Storms article. This can be done independent or with a pair. The next item is required, 15 minutes. It is practice. Answer the Spinning Storms questions on page 3 of your severe weather journal. This can be done independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode, and happy working.